Hello guys, welcome to another new video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today I will trade my favorite pair, gold versus US dollar, and attempt to catch a good move. I am placing a trade here. I have already calculated this lot size using a position size calculator. I have provided the link for this in the description box. With its help I avoid placing orders exceeding the allowed lot size. See you guys in a little while. Guys, all our trades have been placed successfully. We are currently running a loss of around $500. Always set your position size correctly. If your position size is incorrect, your account could get blown up.
A few moments later.
Guys, we have turned from a loss into a profit. Currently our profit is hovering around $800. We shouldn't pay too much attention to this, as the market constantly fluctuates between showing profits and losses. Let's head over to the chart and I'll explain why we placed a buying trade here. Most of you have probably already figured it out from the thumbnail. Now we will first create the sideways zone, for which I am using the rectangle tool. At this level the market has established multiple support and resistance points. At this point the market formed a support become resistance pattern, and it is now creating a resistance become support pattern, which is a strong pattern indicative of an uptrend. At this level the market has established multiple support points, thereby creating a strong support level. As a result, we could potentially witness a reaction at this level once again in the future. The market most of the time simply repeats previous reversal points. Now I will use arrows to draw the sideways zone here. From this entry point the market has formed a complete sideways zone, which you can easily observe on the chart. Now the market has broken above this level here, which increases the likelihood of the market moving upwards. Our entry here is perfectly timed, as I waited for a retest following the breakout. Because I waited, the market's uptrend pattern became clearly visible to me, specifically the resistance become support pattern. Now I will place the stop loss and profit target. My stop loss will be positioned below a strong reversal level and within the sideways zone, which is 90 pip lower. Here is the perfect place for my stop loss so that I can cut my loss at the right place, and the profit target will be 270 pip higher, where the chances of the market reaching are high. In this trade, I have utilized a risk to reward ratio of 1:3, as we are aiming to capture a significant move. Guys, we are still running in profit, which is around $1,000. We will not close the trade prematurely until either the stop loss or the profit target is hit. Now let's set the stop loss and profit target. Guys, I have analyzed this trade in exactly the right direction. Therefore, if we remain patient, we can capture a good move. Always respect the market. If you are incurring repeated losses, do not try to take revenge on it, because this will lead you to start over trading and you could even blow up your account. If you are incurring losses, it means either you are not utilizing that strategy correctly or that strategy is simply not meant for you. Since every trader possesses a unique mindset and a distinct risk tolerance, you cannot simply replicate someone else's strategy. However, you can certainly glean valuable insights and key points from it. I'll catch you guys in a little while. Until then, enjoy the video.
I'm here to make it to the top. I'll take a shot. I'll overpower any boss, cause I am not
Let's
someone
go.
that you would wanna cross.
I move quietly, like a shadow, there's a dark side to me. I work privately to go build and create my own dynasty. A new rivalry, it emerges ever so slowly. But they're not fighting me, so let's squash anything that's trying me. I'm like, leave this here, but you know that you can maintain. I got nothing to lose, so you better watch out.
Wow guys, nice move. Our analysis was spot on. We captured the massive move we were expecting. Our entry into this trade was perfectly timed so we could follow all our rules properly. The market is currently moving up very fast. We utilized a breakout strategy in this trade and the results we observed were positive. Now let me proceed with the analysis to show you the specific pattern the market is forming as it moves upward. For this I will use the rectangle tool. At this level the market has established multiple resistance points, causing it to repeatedly reverse downwards at this very level. This is currently a strong reversal level. However, the market has now broken above this level and is moving upwards. In the future the market may establish support points at this level, thereby forming a resistance become support pattern, a strong indicator of an uptrend. We are now closing our trade, as the market has moved significantly above the target level. Guys, currently our running profit stands at around $10,000. This account originally held $3,472, which has now grown to $13,666 following the profits. I was able to achieve all of this through patience and proper risk management. Never view trading through the eyes of a gambler, view it as a business. Only then will you be able to become profitable. If you learned even a little bit from this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.